In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Discord link to Linktree. We're going to walk through this from inside your Linktree account. So first, make sure you're logged in on your browser. Once you're in, head over to your Linktree admin page. This is usually where you manage all of your existing links. Think of it as your control center for everything your audience sees on your Linktree profile. On the admin page, look for the option to add a new item, usually labeled add or something similar. Click on that. This is how you start creating any new link, button, or integration that appears on your Linktree. Next, you'll be asked what kind of item you want to create. Choose the option called link. This tells Linktree that you want to add a standard link or an integration, rather than something like a header or a special block. Once you've selected link, you'll see a search field. In that field, type in Discord. This helps you quickly find the built-in Discord option instead of having to paste a generic URL manually. Using the dedicated Discord option often gives you a cleaner icon and better labeling on your profile. From the search results, click on Discord servers. This is the integration made specifically for linking to your Discord community. Selecting this will open up the fields where you can customize how this Discord link appears on your Linktree. Now, click on the title field. Here, you'll add the final title that your visitors will see, such as Join My Discord server or Chat with the community on Discord. Choose something clear and inviting so people know exactly what they're tapping. Next, click into the Discord server URL field. Paste or type in your actual Discord invite link here. Make sure this invite link is valid, and if needed, set it in Discord to never expire so your Linktree button doesn't break over time. You'll also see an option that controls what happens when someone taps your Discord link. Decide whether visitors get direct access to your Discord invite, or if they need to sign up or opt in first through Linktree. Direct access is simpler, but requiring sign up can help you collect emails or verify visitors before they join. Finally, turn on the toggle switch to activate your new Discord link. Once the toggle is on, your Discord server link is live and visible on your Linktree, ready for your audience to click and join.